everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you guys are new over here, my name is Sarala. Today in this video I am going to talk about a very useful and free application that can help you to improve your grammar and also speaking skills. So the name of the application is Duolingo. And many people wants to learn and improve their grammar, right? But they don't know how to start and where to start, or don't want to spend a lot of money, right? For that people, this application is a great choice and it's free to use. Of course, some features has premium, so you need to pay money to use some features, but I can say that basic version is highly enough to practice your vocabulary and grammar every day. The best part is it's fun and interactive. The app uses small lessons, games and challenges to you stay motivated. You will find cool words, interesting sentences and also colorful visuals to make learning exciting. Now, to speak any language including English, we need main 4 things. So what are they? Vocabulary, tone, pronunciation and also active listening, right? So Duolingo helps all of this, especially vocabulary and pronunciation, because you have to listen and repeat words with correct tone and sound. Okay, now I'm going to show you how you can use this application and what are the features in it and how to use it. Okay, so I'm going to talk about every single feature about this application, okay, step by step. So without wasting your precious time, let's dive into the video. Now I'm going to show you how to install this application. Okay, so first you go to the Play Store and type Duolingo on the search bar. Okay, so here is the Duolingo app. So just you can click on install. After installation, just you can open this app. Okay, so you can click on get started, or you have already an account in this application, then you can click I already have an account and get started. Okay, Duolingo will ask some of the questions, so you have to give answers for those questions. Okay, so the first question is what language do you speak? So it is asking that your native language or your comfortable language. Okay, so you can select whatever language you want to. So I want to select I speak English, guys, and there are a lot of options here like Hindi, Telugu and also Tamil. Okay, so you can select whatever language you want to. So I speak English. Okay, so continue. And another question is what would you like to learn? So we are here to learn English, right? So but in this application, guys, so not only English, you can learn lot of languages. Okay, you can learn Hindi, Korean, Japanese, French, Spanish, German, whatever languages you want to. Okay, so I'm here to learn English, right? So that's why I'm selecting English. Okay, and continue. Another question is how did you hear about this Duolingo? So you can select any of them like YouTube. So I'm selecting YouTube. Okay, so now continue. How much English do you know? So now I'm going to select, I can talk about various topics. Okay, and continue. You can select your level of your English, guys. Okay, why are you learning English? According to your goal, according to your reason, you have to select. Okay, so I'm using this application connect with people, so I'm selecting this. So continue, and let's set up your learning routine. Okay, continue. So what's your daily learning goal, guys? It is asking that how many minutes you want to practice your English. So you can select according to your schedule, according to your timings. Okay, so I'm going to select 30 minutes. Okay, so but I'm not going to practice in a 30 minutes time, guys. So I can divide the 30 minutes in a day. So according to that, I can go in that application and I practice my grammar. Okay, So I'm selecting 30 minutes. So you can select according to your timings. Okay, so yeah, I'm committed. So that's 100 words in your first week. Okay, continue. Okay, I'll share you on from your home screen. Continue. Here what you can achieve in 3 months. So it is showing that converse with confidence, build up your vocabulary, develop a learning habit. So these 3 things you can achieve when you are using this application. Okay, so continue a few times and find level. So continue. The first feature is something called read and respond, guys. This part is very useful to improve our pronunciation and also understanding, guys. Okay, so let's see how it works.
Maria's team has a monthly meeting. They meet in the last week of every month.
So what does monthly mean? So there are some options. Those are once a year, once a week, once a month. So once a month. So it's correct. So when you are giving correct answer, then the green tick mark is showing. Okay, so continue. Now the other part is called complete the chat, guys. Here Duolingo give a chat to you and there are some options. So you can give the correct chat answer, guys. Okay, this chat feature help you to understand everyday conversation skills. Okay, practicing like this, then you can reply quickly with other person because you already had a practice on it, right? Have you looked at the monthly sales figure? Yes, we earned a lot of May and June. Of course, I will attend the meeting. So it's yes. Continue. Here is another part which is complete the sentences, guys. So here the Duolingo is given sentences. So you have to fill a correct word in it. Okay. So here 4 options. Okay. So you can select and fill in. Okay. So our company is planning to open a new branch next month. So I'm very busy. Busy. Okay. Continue. So another sentence. Ima is thinking about traveling. Traveling. For work. She likes to travel. To travel. So continue. Here is another part which is listen for the missing word, guys. So you can listen carefully, then you can put the correct option. Okay, so let's listen.
He thinks about retiring early. Out. About.
Okay, so when you are listening, then you can put the proper word on it. So it's about, right? So select the missing word. So here is another part. I decide to start my own business. I often think about starting my own business. I dream about leave my job. So let's see, leave. So it's incorrect, guys. When you are selecting wrong word, then it is showing the correct answer as well. I dream about leaving my job. Okay, so got it. Let's continue. Again, fill in the blanks. Okay, so I want to move to a different branch of the same strawberry coffee company. No, it's a company. Okay, continue. So complete the sentences. I begin each day by reading my mails.
Reading.
Continue. I want to improve my life by change jobs. By changing jobs. Let's see. Changing. So type the missing word. Okay. You have to type on that particular missing word. When you are listening, then you have to type, guys. Okay. So
is the other branch of your company better?
So here branch is missing. So I'm typing. Check. Yeah, continue. Tap what you hear. So this is really important part, guys, which is when you are listening, then only you can make sentences, guys. Okay, so actively listening. Here you can improve your listening skills. Okay, and also you can you know how to make sentences and how to frame sentences, and you can improve sentence formation through this part. Okay, so let's listen.
My company makes money by selling advertisements.
My Company
company
makes
makes
money
money
by
by
selling
selling
advertisements.
advertisements.
Yes. Continue. Select the missing word again. Okay. I decide to start my own business. I often think about starting my own business. So this is the previous mistake, guys. So I did a mistake, right? So it is showing the mistake as well. Previous mistake. I'm going to leaving. Okay. Continue. Having this kind of part, then you know your mistake and there is a place to correct your mistake, right? So this is the best option. I completed this level and claim XP. Okay, so it is asking that nicely done. How did the lesson feel? So how you are feeling about this whole parts? Okay, so it's just easy. Continue. Best part is that a streak is born. Practice every day to help it grow, and it is also a best thing to discuss because it will give motivation, right? So you want to practice and practice, then you will gain streaks, right? Like in snap, in the same manner. So here is also strikes. Okay, so I'm committed. I'm going to committed. So let's commit to learn with streak goal. So we are select any of them. So I'm going to select 7 days, commit my goal. Okay, so create profile. So if you want to create a profile in this Duolingo application, so you can continue, or else you can create ladder. Okay, so I'm going to create profile. So it is asking that your age, how old are you, and what is your first name, it is asking, right? Already I have an account, guys. My brother mobile phone. Okay, so I'm creating my brother account. So his mail ID as well. Continue. And you can create a password. Okay, my profile is created. That's it for today's video, guys, and I think I explained everything about this application, and I explained every feature about this application. Okay, so this is how you can use this application, especially to improve your grammar and also your sentence formation, your sentence structure, and your pronunciation, your tone, and every single thing you can practice in this application. Okay, so you have to be consistent in this application and do practice every single day, and don't skip. Okay, so when you are enrolling and when you are installing this application, when you are allowing the notifications as well, then it will remind you daily to practice your English. So that is also a good option in this particular application. Okay, so go and install this application in Play Store and use it and practice your English daily. Okay, so this is all about for today's video, guys, and I hope this video is useful to you. I think you like the video. If you like the video, you know what you have to do. Hit the like button and share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel for more videos. I'll catch you guys in another video. Till then, take care of yourselves. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.